Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making African black soap mix. We're going to mix it and with all these ingredients that will give you a glow. Anybody can use it, both old and young. So we're going to use the black soaps, the powdered one, and we'll be using 10 grams of castor oil, and we'll be using 5 grams of shea butter and 5 grams of neem powder. Neem powder removes acne. And I'm going to add this turmeric. It's 1 tablespoon, which is 10 grams. And I'm going to add the almighty Kenwood powder. Very, very good for the skin. And I'm going to add clay. The Kenwood powder is 20 grams, and the other one is 10 grams, which is the clay. And now I'm going to add this in my small pots. Listen, the reason why I'm going to use the pot is to melt it down. If you want to have a very good skin care, like the soap, like this black soap, they are coming from a very from dust. There are dust, there anything can come in contact with the soap, so you want to melt it down. So I'm going to add all these ingredients together, and I'm going to list the ingredients later. I'm going to add everything. This skin wood is very good, and it helps you detox your skin with the clay. And this turmeric will brighten and lighten those dark patches. It is not to bleach you, but it is for you to have an instant glow and treat those blemishes out, take it out from your skin. And with this soap, you will glow. I mean, you will glow. Children can use this, anybody, both young and old, but babies not. So now I put it in the saucepan, and after it has melted a bit, I notice it's melted from the bottom. And what I'll do is just to turn them, to make sure all those ingredients are well mixed. Do not use your hand. I don't like using my hand. Use your spatula or your something to just turn it, and then put them in the jar or anything that you think is safe. Make sure you wash the jar you are using and sanitize them. Put them inside there, and you are good to go. You can use it for your face and for your body. You can also add your essential oil if you want. While mixing, you can add few drops of essential oil to this. About 5 drops of lavender will do. And that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.